Today I'm taking a look at this cordless buffer polisher that I did buy off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box so we can check it out. All right, this kit comes with a lot. Everything you need to get started. Of course, it comes with the polisher. It comes with 2 batteries, a battery charger. It comes with this tool here so you can switch out the pads that are on the buffer there. It comes with 2 wool Velcro pads. It comes with 2 cover pads you put over the little buff pads here, 2 cloth ones, 6 pads that are 2000 grit sandpaper, some rubber gloves, 3 of each of these foam pads. 3 of them have like an egg crate type of mold and 3 of them are flat. Of course, you get the manual, you get a microfiber towel, and you get an apron here to keep yourself from getting all dirty, even a carrying case. So I mean, this thing's got everything you would need. Let me get some of these batteries charged up and we'll turn this thing on. When it comes to the polisher, you got the on and off right here. You just click and hold. It turns on. I have it down at the low setting, but you can turn this all the way up to 6. I like that because some things you need to be able to run on really low speeds and some things you need to be able to run them on high speeds. It does oscillate, so let me turn it off so you can see. And as you can see, as it spins down, it does oscillate. It's got a nice Velcro backing here, so if you're going to put on, let's say, one of these sandpaper pads, you just put it on, you're done, you peel it off, and that's how you put all of these items that it gives you on. If you were going to do this, you'd put that on, you'd put this over it. I like how this is built with the handle and a grab top there. So yeah, it comes with everything you'd need, all the features you would need for an excellent price. I'm definitely glad I bought it. I think you will be too. Hope all this information was helpful. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.